A 60-second option I placed on the GBP-USD, the cable. It was a put option placed at around 3:08 in the morning during the London session. So I'm gonna be showing you why it worked, and if you can see over here on the 24-option chart, it had a little bit of pain at first, but then just fell down, as I like to call them, blowing out the candles. Rich has the term cliff diving. So there's you can always define it with all these interesting little terms that you want it, but ultimately you want the result that you invested in. So the low was great for me, and that's how it worked out. I'm going to show you why I picked that option. So here's the MetaTrader chart. MetaTrader chart. Try saying that 10 times. Real tongue twister. Anywho, this is the GBP-USD 1 minute chart, and as you can see over here, I'm still using the tick chart that's available in MetaTrader. As always, I'm going to put out a call to anybody who's watching. If you know a better way of tracking tick charts, and it doesn't have to be through MT4, but we're looking for a free, like non-subscription based model. So if you have an idea of what I can use or what other people can use as well, please write in the comments down below. I'll be happy to share it along and give you credit for it too, because we want to just better the channel. And tick charts I'm finding are really helping my my percentage in the money percentage rate go through the roof, which is really nice to see. So I'd like to share that with other people, and if I can perfect it, it'd be great. So if you have an idea, send it in. Maybe we can add it to the channel. Anyways, side note, sorry about that. So as you can see over here, this is where right over here in this area is where I placed my option, and you can see this nice this candle, this little, well, as you can, it's sort of it was going up, and then, well, actually the whole trend is, according to my trend lines, it's going down, so it's sort of ranging, and then it heads up into this direction, stops, and then as you can see from this candle over here, which is where I placed my my put option, the green candle went straight up, and then it lost that momentum and actually turned red and went down. So somewhere around 2/3 in of this candle over here on the green side, I placed my put option, because with such a reversal, and one of the terms that a lot of people like to throw around in the Forex world is train tracks or railroad tracks, because you can see that it just changes direction very quickly and has those two bars to demonstrate that. And so it was pretty clear that it was going to be losing the momentum that it gained heading in the up direction, and it was going to turn, and the trend was going to move down. So as you can see over here, the next candle, of course, was red. Of course, there was a little short rally over here, and then you can see that this candle, it just fell apart, and also the tick chart over here clearly demonstrates that as well. As always in this channel, the two favorite tools I like to use for confirmations and entering are the Stochastic and the RSI, both oscillators. And so as you can see over here, it hit it into overbought conditions, so I had a feeling it was going to head back down, and then when it went up and then it went down, that was a clear indication that it was going to go back down. And the RSI, of course, pointing into that same thing, showing that nice sort of slant that I look for when I'm looking for my trades. So that's pretty much it for my end. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description below. I'll be happy to get back to you. If you have any suggestions or things like that of videos I should see, or ideas to look at the chart, or maybe a new indicator that you've tried out and you'd like to share, throw it by my way in the channel, the comments down below. I'll be happy to try it out and give you my thoughts and impressions on it. I mean, I'm no expert, but maybe a second set of eyes might help out, depending on what you want. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe this video and all the videos in this channel. And don't forget to do the exact same for the Happy Forex's channel, because it's a great channel and a great resource with a trade of the day that really just gives you a wealth of information of how the trading day is going during the New York session. Rich puts out a really thorough video, and I highly recommend it to any trader of any level, because I know that I'm just an amateur right now, and I'm doing well, but I can definitely attest some of that profitability to Rich's great videos. Anyways, so thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.